This is the Dylan model with a wide entry hallway leading to the family room, the dining area, and a wide open kitchen with a nice size island overlooking the family room. This is perfect for family gatherings. It's a really good size family room. Look at that. So now we're heading back to the entrance. Here you have, this model actually is a 3-bedroom plus a flex room. So this is one of the bedrooms, but you can easily make it a 4-bedroom. So this is the bathroom that is shared by these 2 bedrooms. This is the 2nd bedroom. This community has a mix of bungalows, townhomes, single-family homes, 1-story and 2-story. It's a really nice community. This is the area that I was telling you, flex space that you can make it an office or you can actually make it a bedroom. So now let's go back and head back to the master bedroom here. So this is your primary bedroom. Good size, lots of light. It has a walk-in closet, double vanity, and the floors are carpet. You can upgrade it, but in this model they left it like that. So now we're going to head to the rear of the house. This hallway leading to the laundry area and a nice drop zone area, and then there leads to the garage. So this is a really nice community, about 1,700 square feet house, just within minutes to 528, the airport, 417, and just 40 minutes from Cocoa Beach.